Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo and welcome to my course Character Design, The Power of the Silhouette. In this course you're going to learn how to develop a character by first starting with the silhouette. You're probably wondering, why would you start there? Well, it becomes easier to create variation, spark creativity, and provide a faster workflow. After we finish the silhouette, we're going to pick one of those silhouettes and we're going to start to refine it by sketching through the silhouette. I'll show you how to refine the inner shapes and the forms and come up with various ideas, all the while being very creative and exploring the potential. Then we're going to jump into adding value to our character. This is the part where we try to round out the forms, add little bits of texture, and basically refine the ideas that we've established thus far. Now the reason why this is such a good workflow is it allows you to just focus on the shape, the texture, the form, and getting all the three-dimensional aspects and feel to the character in place. Then after that's all done, we jump into the coloring aspect. This becomes much easier to accomplish and it's a very minimalistic approach at this point. We've got all the values in place and we just start to paint over top, all utilizing the same layer minus a few correction layers at the end. A very easy workflow, and I think this is really great for anybody that kind of struggles to wrap their head around the painting process by just adding color to the canvas. And I'm going to show you how this can actually be a nice segue for you to get ready for that type of painting as well. So I'm very excited to be teaching you these lessons. I hope you're excited to learn them. Let's get started.